Are you ready? All right, let's get to it.
Welcome back, everybody, to Milo's new adventure, guys. We're out here at the boat ramp. Oh yeah, going down out here. We just got here. This guy here trying to slide on. Let's see what happens here. Got another little boat off to the right here. I guess he just slid in there or something. I don't know if they're trying to head out or what they're doing. All right. These guys over here, he's trying to get a gas can up in there, trying to do something there. Got the sea tow guy over there today, guys. Pretty busy. Yeah, people around. Let's check it all out here. Sea tow guy. A few people around here. Coming and going. I see they did come through here and mow this again, so that's good. There it goes. He put that gas thing up in there and then was over there messing with it for a few minutes. Take her home, Big Daddy, take her home. Look out! Stay out of here, guys. Have fun. Load in, guys. Coming fast. Coming real quick. Oh, yeah. Cool boat, dude. Hey. The other boat made it up over there. These guys are trying here. Look out. Hang on.
Milo, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you guys do out there today?
Good. All good.
You have fun out there?
Oh, yeah.
All right. Good deal.
Milo's Adventures, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, they know the name. Milo's New Adventure. Cool. They don't look like they have any problem there. Just step right off is what I do, though. Yeah, step off, man. Just step right off. Go ahead. Oh, you had it, man. You had it. He had it. There he goes. That guy made it. Good job, guys. Good job. Oh yeah. There he goes. Good job. Uh-oh. They made it. Okay, making his way over. Looks like they got the seat off in their hand and all kinds of stuff. What's happening there? Trailer coming in for that Yamaha boat there. Okay. I don't know what they're pulling the seats off for. Waiting on the trailer? Boy, it looks like they had a lot of fun fishing and all kinds of stuff. Wow, cool. Very cool. You only have one life, guys. Go for it. Go for it. I was always told different things growing up. I was always told, why can't I be like somebody else? All these different things. But why? Why be like somebody else, you know? All right. Going for it there. I guess they're just going to roll it up there, I guess. Okay. Okay. They headed off to the old car. He gassed. He goosed it pretty good, and then they just got it, I think. He was really cranking away on it. Man, I could just imagine them boats that we used to have. Boy, it'd have ripped the thing right out of it. All right, he's out. Uh-oh, what's happening? I heard something. I wonder what that was. He's out there. Nice boat. Yeah, they are nice. There was one out here sunk like that. Well, back in June, July of last year, came in sinking. Trailer in. Truck just pulled right up here beside of us. That's cool. Trailer in. Making it in for this boat. That's the hard side, the blind side. I remember backing a lot of trailers in that way. Semi-trailers and all that stuff. Hang on. The guy with the other truck, he made it in with his trailer. Getting ready to go with that one. There he goes, guys. Hang on. Wow, what a boat. Key West boat. That boat right there trying to get up there, back behind on the right. This guy's sliding in. I think sea dudes are coming back in, I think. They're trying to work this one on. Yeah. Sounds like someone's jamming. Yeah. Party! You're trying to get up to the dock here, guys. Oh yeah! Bring it in.
Thank you.